Shout out to all the people who came here. It wasn't supposed to rain, and I leave my parking garage and it's downpouring, so I had to clean my car off, and 6:30 in the morning we're still out here. It's rain or shine, but when it rains there's a lot of people who don't come. Actually, I got a message. My buddy was supposed to come with his GT3 Lava Orange, and he messaged me, it's not gonna happen, maybe next week. Yeah. It's the P100D. I would not want to have one of these cars. Like, look at this white interior. Bet you, if you aren't wearing clothes that came fresh out the dryer, these things get super dirty. Like, looks good, but is it practical? Check out this Lancia. This thing's sick. I don't know much about Lancias, but I know I don't see many of them. Which, I know these were known for rally cars, but this thing is sweet. 1600 HF. It's clean as can be, too. I don't know which this. I'll probably research this, and surprised it's this clean, taking it in the rain. So would you take the Challenger, or would you take the GT350R? Honestly, I'd get the Challenger. Just kidding. I would take the Ford GT350R. That's another GT350R, but the Challenger just looks too bulky. I saw this next to a, whatever this is, Volvo once, and it just, you kind of look at it, we're on a hill, so it's kind of hard to tell, but the Challenger was literally larger than the Volvo. It's literally, I don't know what the hell that was, but it was the size of a minivan. A minivan weighs more than a Challenger. Like, what the heck? Here's the Driven to Cure Liberty Walk GTR. I'm filming it because you guys would be like, oh my god, you missed it. And no, I'm just not, a big fan of GTRs. Not a big fan of Liberty Walk. I like the story behind it. The kid had got cancer and he survived it, but dad had bought it to, hey, it's got cancer, but just not a big fan of GTRs. But for the people, here it is. And right here you've got the Performante Spider, which that kid who's probably no older than 17 is coming out it in the jacket. Oh, sorry, he's probably a rich YouTuber. So, and then a Demon. Oh, this could be a dope shot if you can focus. There we go. Surprised to see the Demon out. It's rainy and I don't know, what is this? About 825 horsepower. But when you have a 4,000-pound car, it compensates. Holy cow, it's the sun. Never thought I'd see that. What?
You never thought I'd see
Bye. The thing about Porsches, as someone put it, you can't tell the difference between a $20,000 Porsche and a one that is a million. Oh, he's about a couple. I'd say 200,000. Yeah.
What is this? Turbo?
Air-cooled turbo.
And the 964s don't allow.
Yeah, these are. It's an air-cooled turbo. The air-cooled turbos are going for.
It's like a 993 price.
Yeah.
What about the same?
So the 720S color, I really like this blue. Whatever it is. The orange calipers with, oops, the orange stitching. It's pretty cool. It's cool how these things, they flip down and they come up into a traditional looking. Seen tons of these, but when you've got a car that is very common, you don't want to get it in white or blue, or a car that there's many of, so you need to get something that stands out. Just don't be like in Florida where you put pink wheels on your car, which I don't think that looks pretty cool. But yeah, get your Instagram photos. The 512 CR is such an underrated car. You've got, this is the second generation of the Testarossa. The Testarossa was before this. And then, look at this white Thunderbird. Can't post this on Instagram, I'll get 5 likes, but oh well. You kids need to learn. But the 512 TR is sweet. So it's got the Testarossa engine in it. And then I like these older Ferrari interiors, just so basic. So, and you got the GT3, but it's nothing like a V12 manual car. And I think these from the front look better than the Testarossa too. I like the little, it's just more modern. Funny story about this Gallardo. I know I've said this story a couple times, but this Gallardo got a flat on its way here, and the guy's like, I'm gonna go get my spare, and someone was like, what? I didn't know that they made spares for these, or spare tires. He's, no, I'm gonna get my spare wheel for my other Gallardo and put it on here. But yeah, this, I like, if I get money, it'll be a Gallardo over a Huracan because of that. Here's an i8, and then you've got people in lawn chairs with the Porsche. Almost cleaning it because it's clean. It's another Porsche. And a Huracan. That Huracan apparently has 14,000 miles. Got a good thing about the Huracans, they're very daily drivable, which I guess that's why every YouTuber has one. Oh, I gotta sneeze, damn it. I'm over here talking about daily driver friendly cars. This is a daily driver friendly car. She's cute. Alright guys, sorry for the lazy video, but it rained and it didn't rain, but oh well. Bye.